Good evening, students. Today we are going to study the accounting treatment in the case of claim against workman compensation fund. Under the chapter number 3, admission of a new partner, we are going to discuss today accounting treatment in the case of claim against workman compensation fund. My dear friends, first of all, we will know what is the meaning of workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund, it can be write as WCF, W/C/F. You can see here, workman compensation fund. Each and every type of company prepare a such type of fund where any casualty take place regarding in the case of any employees or any workman. So if any type of contingencies comes in the business concern, then from which fund the company meet up to that type of contingencies, to meet up to that type of losses. So from that type of fund, that is called workman compensation fund. Getting over? Okay. I mean to say, कहने का मतलब ये है, जिनको नहीं समझ में आए एक बार फिर ध्यान से सुन ले. अगर कंपनी के वर्कमैन, कंपनी में जो एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं, वर्कमैन होते हैं, उनसे रिलेटेड कोई भी कैजुअलिटी आती है कंपनी में या पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस में, तो जो कंपनी उन कैजुअलिटीज को, उन लायबिलिटीज को मीटिंग अप करने के लिए या फिर शॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए जो भी एक स्पेसिफिक फंड बनाती है, उस फंड को हम क्या नाम देते हैं? वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड. Getting over? For the compensating to the liabilities regarding workman, that is called workman compensation fund. Hope it is meaning is clear to all of you. And today we are going to discuss what accounting treatment in the case of claim against workman compensation fund. My dear students, in the case of balance sheet, in the balance sheet, the amount of workman compensation fund is suppose rupees 1 lakh. The partnership firm has maintained a fund of rupees workman compensation fund of rupees 1 lakh. Mind it and listen it very carefully. Okay. There are some specific cases regarding workman compensation fund, whatever we are going to study here. First case means in the first case, what will be the accounting treatment? Okay, my dear students, first case, see here. First, journal entry, J/E, journal entry in the case of no any claim. What? No any claim regarding workman compensation fund. Okay, I am just giving one example, and there are some cases regarding workman compensation fund. The case number 1. Case number 1. Under case number 1, what? Journal entry or accounting treatment in the case of no any claim regarding workman compensation fund, and the amount of fund is workman compensation fund. In the balance sheet you can see here 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh. So what will be the accounting treatment in this case? As we have already seen in the previous lecture, in the last lecture, what in the case of distribution, accounting treatment of the distribution of accumulated profit and loss. Okay, so in that case, all the amount of workman compensation fund we will distribute in old partner in old ratio. Getting over? So what entry will be done? The entry will be done what? Workman compensation fund account debit to old partners capital account in old ratio. In the first case, only one entry will be passed. Any doubt? No? Okay. Case number 1 is clear? Okay. Case number 2. Case 2. Case number 2. Case number 1 is clear. Case number 2. If the amount of claim, listen here, if the amount of claim against workman compensation fund is less than WCF, is less than workman compensation fund, means जो भी क्लेम का अमाउंट है, यानी सपोज एनी मिसहैपनिंग टुक प्लेस इन द कंसर्न and the amount of claim is rupees 50,000. The amount of claim is rupees 50,000 and the fund is 1 lakh. And the fund is 1 lakh. So what we are seeing means I have sufficient amount. The company is having sufficient amount and the company can meet out to that type of liabilities from workman compensation fund. Getting it all? See here what. So in this case, what we will do? What accounting treatment will be done in this case? See here. Case number 2. Journal entry in the case of when the amount of claim is less than workman compensation fund. You can see here is less than workman compensation fund. I am giving one example. 150,000 claim amount 50,000 and fund amount 1 lakh. You can see here. Okay. So what entry would be passed? See here. Workman compensation fund account debit. Workman compensation fund account debit to provision for claim against workman compensation fund to partners capital account in old ratio. What in old ratio? Okay, my dear friends, the amount of fund is 1 lakh and the amount of claim is 50,000. We will give 50,000 from that amount to in the claim. So 1 lakh debit here, 50,000 in provision for, and the remaining amount of 50,000, remaining part 50,000 we will distribute in the old partners capital account in old ratio. Getting over? In the case 1 clear, case 2 clear. Next case, case number 3rd. Case 3rd. In this case, when the amount of claim is equal to workman compensation fund, I mean to say, it means when the company is, for what amount the company is maintaining workman compensation fund. See here, in the balance sheet there is amount of workman compensation fund is rupees 1 lakh and also 1 lakh. The claim of amount is rupees 1 lakh is given. So what we can do, what the company will do, means the amount of fund and the amount of claim both are equal. Means whatever claim against workman compensation fund, means all the claim will meet up from that amount. Getting clear? Means I have the amount of claim rupees 1 lakh and I have the fund rupees 1 lakh. From that amount we will meet up to that type of to that liabilities. Getting all? Hope you all are getting. See, case number 3rd, journal entry in the case of when the amount of workman compensation, amount of claim, the amount of claim is equal to workman compensation fund. What I am saying, amount of claim is equal to workman compensation fund. Okay, so entry will be workman compensation fund account debit to provision for claim against workman compensation fund account. Getting all what I am saying? Journal entry in the case of when the amount of claim is equal to workman compensation fund. WCF workman compensation fund account debit to provision for claim against workman compensation fund 1 lakh 1 lakh. Any doubt? Case number 3 is clear. Okay, hope all 3 cases are clear. And now we are going to see the next case number 4. Case number 4. It's an important case. Oftentimes it asks in the questions. Case number 4. So hope you will see here. Journal entry in the case of when the amount of claim is more than the workman compensation fund. Okay, my dear friends, what I have written, you all are getting? I have written when the amount of claim is more than workman compensation fund. Getting? Means I have maintained the fund of rupees 1 lakh and the amount of claim is rupees suppose 1,50,000. Then what the company will do, what the firm will do? So what accounting treatment will be done in this case? Okay, my dear friends, see, means there is a lack of amount 50,000. Means there is the lack of amount rupees 50,000. Then company what will be done by the company? You can see here, workman compensation fund account debit. Workman compensation fund account debit. Okay, from rupees 1 lakh. Revaluation account debit. Revaluation account debit to provision for claim against workman compensation fund. What I have written? Workman compensation fund account debit from the rupees 1 lakh. Revaluation REV I have written. Revaluation account debit from the rupees 50,000 and to provision for claim against workman compensation fund 1,50,000. This entry will be done in the case number 4. What? Workman compensation fund account debit. Revaluation account means that loss. Whatever is excess amount from workman compensation fund, we will debit where? In revaluation account. This is the loss. And the next entry from this with this, what? Partners capital account debit. Partners capital account debit to revaluation. Okay, 50,000 and 50,000. Old partners capital account debit. Getting? So all these 3 cases, these all are the accounting treatment in the case of claim against workman compensation fund we were studying. And see here, in the first case, there is no claim. Entry will be workman compensation fund account debit to old partners capital account in old ratio. No. Case number 2, when amount of claim is less than workman compensation fund, entry will be workman compensation fund account debit to provision for workman compensation fund and to partners capital account in old ratio. Okay. And third case number 3, journal entry in the case of when the amount of claim is equal to workman compensation fund. तो तीसरा केस क्या है? वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविजन फॉर क्लेम अगेंस्ट वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड 1 lakh. And in case number 4, when amount of claim is more than workman compensation fund, then workman compensation fund is debit. Workman compensation fund account debit from rupees 1 lakh and whatever amount is more, that will be debit in revaluation account. Revaluation account debit to 50,000 and to provision for claim against workman compensation fund 1,50,000. And next entry, old partners capital account debit 50,000 to revaluation account 50,000. So all these are the accounting treatment in the case of workman compensation claim against workman compensation fund. So hope you all are getting all these points. I have made videos of the chapter admission of a new partner, topic wise. Okay, so if you want to see the each and every topic of this chapter, you can go in the playlist of my channel, and then the name of playlist Partnership Accounting Class 12. Okay, and you go and see this is the lecture regarding accounting treatment in the case of claim against workman compensation fund. Hope you all are getting, and please do the questions whatever as given in the book. All the concepts are clear. If you have any problem, then you can ask me in comments, and if you all are getting in easier way, then like, share and subscribe of my channel for getting the topic wise video of class 12 accounts, commerce, economics for today. Thank you very much.